My today's video is about fall season in America. The actual name of this season is autumn, but in America it is called as fall season because of the falling leaves in this season. You can see behind me, around me, everywhere there are falling leaves, and it looks really very beautiful. The fall season, it is very beautiful all around wherever you go. So I will tell you when this season starts. So this season comes between the summer season and the winter season. It comes around 20th of September and lasts till the December 20th. And in this season the day starts becoming shorter and the night becomes longer. Like at the 5 o'clock in the evening you will see dark everywhere. So it is little bit depressing, but because at the 5 o'clock only it is dark. But at the same time I feel that nature has its own balance, like when it is dark in this season and it's depressing, but at the same time it is very beautiful in this season. You can see the changing color of the leaves, very different colors leaves you will find. Like some trees you will find yellow color trees, and some you will find red color leaves, orange color leaves. So different leaves color you will find, and they change the colors and then they fall, but after falling also it looks very beautiful. So I feel nature has its own balance. And lot of viewers I know of my channel are from India, and they must be thinking that can we see the fall season in India? Can we experience this falling leaves in India? So my answer to you all is yes. And you have heard it right, that you can see the fall season, you can experience this falling leaves, these beautiful trees in India also. At the end of the video I will tell you how you can see the fall season in India, how you can experience these falling leaves. And also after the video you might have the question that why the leaves change their colors, because the natural color of the leaves is green, then why the leaves change their colors. So that also I will be answering at the end of the video. So I will take you to my neighborhood, in my society, in the nearby park, and I will show you the different colored trees, and it looks very beautiful. When you walk in the park, the road inside the park, that is also filled with all the leaves, and you feel like all on the way there are just falling leaves and you are walking on that, so you get a very beautiful feeling. It looks from the, maybe in the video you might feel that there are some flowers on the way, but they are not flowers, they are the colored leaves. But yes, it looks very beautiful everywhere. And it is like in the park you will find that, even in the neighborhood, in the societies. And you must have liked my photo shoot also. So that is not any special place it is just my nearby area. I just took some photos over there. you must have enjoyed watching the falling leaves and different colors of the trees, and you all must be wondering that why the color of the leaves are different, yellow, red and orange, where the natural color of the leaves is green. So I will tell you why the color of the leaves changes. You must have studied in the science in your school that the color of the leaves are green because of the pigment present in the leaves called chlorophyll, and because of this the leaves are green and plants produce chlorophyll with the help of the sunlight. But as I told you that in the fall season the day is shorter and night is longer, so plants do not get enough sunlight in this season and they cannot produce the chlorophyll. So that's why the leaves starts changing color to yellow, orange, red, and finally they start falling. So this is the reason that why the leaves change color in this season. And I told you that I will tell you that how you can watch these leaves in India also. So I will tell you. You can watch this kind of leaves, different color leaves in India in the places like at the foothills of Himalayas. You can find this kind of trees. And also in Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir, you can find this kind of trees, maybe not exactly the maple trees, but little bit different trees, but they do change color, and it also really looks beautiful. So those who want to visit these places in India, you can check out the fall season in these places, that when is the fall season in Kashmir or Himachal Pradesh or at the foothills of Himalaya, and you can visit that. And in case you have a plan to visit America or Canada or Europe, because Europe also have this kind of fall season, so you can also enjoy this kind of fall season in these countries also. So I hope you liked my today's video and would definitely try it. Do like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and leave your valuable comments how you liked it. Thank you so much and keep watching. Bye bye.